SERV stock analysis. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short, very short, very short 1 minute video. Now, very quickly, for context, I'm using a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of preparations and I've documented everything. I've got no course to sell you. Right. Whew, that was fast. Daily chart. I'm gonna remove all the drawing so this makes even more sense. Boom, going to the weekly. I love how we have actually started to pick up and I'm just looking to double down on. Honestly speaking, man, yeah, I'm not gonna change a thing from what my previous prediction looked like. Something like this. It should not go lower than 70.08, so just thinking about it, you know. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And like, I'm not trying to just make longer and whatever, or add more stuff on the chart. Bro, it's really is just waiting. That's it, man. That's it.